So here we are, Saturday morning. Looks beautiful out there. It's supposed to be a 90% chance of rain at 11 o'clock, and today's the day for the helicopter ride at 11 o'clock. So let's get our stuff and get in the car. Yep.
When Andrew, my son, found out I was coming over to the UK, he arranged for a tactical flying lesson for my birthday present. This isn't a helicopter. I love planes and all things flying, but helicopters are a new experience for me. Andrew and Denise, his beautiful wife, were to have joined us for the adventure, but at the last minute, life got in the way. So, Pete and I are on the way to the Helicentre at Manchester City Airport, the airport formerly known as Barton. There was a music concert here last night, and it looks like there's still a lineup.
Oh.
I've signed in and watched the safety video with my co-pilots. There are 3 of us and the captain. The helicopter is a Robinson R-44 Raven II, powered by a Lycoming IO540 6-cylinder with fuel injection, 245 horsepower on takeoff. It's capable of 200 miles per hour and about 450 kilos of pilot and intrepid adventure.
See, that's just laziness. You're going to be last, you're going to be second, and the other guy's going to be first. And the reason for that is once I can burn a bit of fuel out, it'll make it easier to get you guys into the front. So now, how tall are you?
6'3".
You'll be okay.
Good.
When you sit in here first.
Yeah.
Once you're in there, you'll be fine. In the front, you'll be really no problem at all.
Yeah.
All right, you can jump in here.
All right.
It's a huge effect on the helicopter to do it. It's extremely sensitive. Guess which one you're going to be using. That's extremely sensitive. It's a short flight each that if it puts on the other controls, you kind of go, I can do anything. This one, you'll know when you put it. That makes sense. Yeah. All right. To start with, this lever down here, this is called the collector. This is where your left hand will be. Next thing then, I'm going to make a radio call and say ready to go. I'll tell you, get different cover up there or whatever. You can sit tight for a minute, don't touch anything. Once, as soon as we're kind of starting to move forward to take off, I'm going to bring this control down here. You can kind of come on nice and gently with me. Help me out a little bit. Yeah. Keep your feet on the floor, left hand on your left leg, and I look after those two. Alright, this one. The trick is just in nice and relaxed. White knuckle is not required, okay? The only thing we're going for is just a nice relaxed grip on your control. So you're not holding control, you're just using your fingers and your wrist, not your arm.
So just that's forward, that's back.
It is as simple as that. Yeah, you can make really like intuition will tell you in a minute how it works, and then you'll figure it out. You can just give it your second.
I noticed that the joystick's vibrating at the moment. I take it when you're up in there, it vibrates a lot less.
You know that's it.
And we're clear to go. Turn onto the runway. Captain allowed me to hold the stick at this point. Push forward to increase speed. Right, push forward to increase speed. And off we go. Each one of the co-pilots flew a pattern. That portion of the takeoff, turn towards the second pylon. When you get to the second pylon, the right turn, see the two farms on the right, and then the downwind leg. Turned right again onto the base leg, and then final in line with the runway. The captain took control of the chopper to land, obviously. Thanks for watching Roger's great retirement adventure, the one with the helicopter. Shoot me a like if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel, please. Thanks to the two of you already subscribed. What's the next adventure? We're off to Capesthorne Hall to a classic car show. See you then.